Een ander prachtig voorbeeld van hoe je door te schrappen kan zorgen voor simpelere en veel effectievere slides zit in een filmpje wat ik je nu ga laten zien. Het gaat over het presenteren van financiële data. En veel van wat we tot nu toe besproken hebben in deze cursus komt in dit filmpje terug. Zie jij alle punten? Komt-ie aan.
If you're sitting in a presentation and you see this slide, what can you make of it? You have no idea what's going on. Even if the person who's presenting is telling you what to look at, you're going to be confused and your eyes are going to go in every which way. You just see colors and numbers. You won't know what to look at. And just imagine what it's like for the people in the back of the room. My gosh. You've all seen tables like this too, where it's a little bit more organized. This person was trying to do a better job of making the fonts a little bit bigger and helping you understand exactly what's going on. Again, I just randomly pulled this image from Google, but just to show you, this still doesn't work. And for one, I don't know why it starts with 2006 on the left-hand side and goes to 2002 on the right-hand side. Typically, it should be flipped around. But let's say, for example, this person put this up here to show that they finally have in 2006 a positive net earnings per share. Well, if that's the point, then you don't need any of this other stuff. Here's the trick. You only want to show what is necessary to prove your point. That's it. You only need to show what is absolutely necessary to prove your point. So net earnings per share positive in 2006, this is how I would go about it. And again, I'm not even going to put fancy graphics, and you shouldn't even try to make it so fancy. I'm just doing this to show you the impact of just how, when you just focus on the information that's important to this point that you're talking about, the kind of impact it can have on your audience. So net earnings per share. So hey guys, we've had a interesting few years here. In 2002, our net earnings per share was minus $5.09. In 2003, it improved a little bit, still in the negative at negative 87 cents. In 2004, getting a little bit better, negative 13 cents. In 2005, negative 2 cents. In 2006, guess what, guys? We're in the positive 12 cents net earnings per share. Woohoo! Yeah. You see how much more impactful that is? I mean, you don't need the picture of the kid there. I just put that there for dramatic effect. But that's much, much better than looking at this graph here like that.